look at the top AI assistant plugins for your IDE. If you are looking for an AI plugin for your IDE, here is a snapshot of what Gemini, GitHub Copilot, Windsurf, and Cody offer. Google's Gemini Code Assist plugin presents a clean and focused interface. Onboarding is straightforward, with the plugin suggesting several core capabilities to get you started. Adding commands to your code, implementing unit tests for your code, making code easier to read. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is a powerful presence in the IDE, and its plugin showcases a clear evolution towards more advanced, autonomous capabilities. It features an agent preview mode, which allows you to start an editing session by defining a set of files for the AI to work with, pointing toward multi-file awareness and agentic workflows. Like other modern plugins, it offers model flexibility, allowing the user to select from a list of powerful LLMs, including Claude Sonnet, various GPT models like GPT-4o1, GPT-4o, and Gemini 2 Flash. Cody from Sourcegraph. The Cody plugin is feature-rich, offering a comprehensive suite for both individual developers and enterprise teams. Its capabilities are extensive. Built-in code actions, Cody comes with a library of ready-to-use prompts for common developer tasks, including explain code, document code, generate unit tests, and find code smells to review and analyze code. Extensive model selection. Cody provides one of the most comprehensive model selection menus, neatly categorized to help developers make informed trade-offs. More powerful models. This tier includes models like Claude Sonnet 4 with thinking, GPT-4o1, GPT-4o, and o3, many of which are available to Cody Pro users. Models balanced for power and speed. This category features models like Gemini 105 Pro. Faster models. For quicker responses, it offers options like Gemini 205 Flash Preview and Claude 305 Haiku. Enterprise ready. Cody is built with business needs in mind. The Cody for Enterprise documentation shows that it can be set up on Sourcegraph Cloud or as self-hosted instance, a critical feature for companies with strict security and data privacy requirements. This is further supported by the Enterprise Model Options link within the plugin itself. Windsurf. Windsurf, formerly Codeium, focuses on code integrity and test generation. It emphasizes broad IDE support and also offers enterprise solutions. The Windsurf plugin distinguishes itself with a strong emphasis on user choice when it comes to the underlying AI models. Its write-in feature lets you select from a variety of LLMs for any given task. The model menu includes options for multiple providers such as OpenAI's o3 and GPT-4o1, Google's Gemini 205 Pro, and Anthropic's Claude 307 and Claude Sonnet 4. This allows developers to pick the right tool for the job, balancing performance, cost, and specific capabilities. They've emphasized security by achieving SOC 2 Type 2 compliance. This is a big deal because it means they've implemented robust security controls, passed rigorous audits, demonstrated consistent security practices over time, and maintained detailed documentation of their security measures. If you are excited to diving deeper into the world of modern software engineering from architecture to cloud and security, check out my video courses where I explore these concepts further and tackle real-world challenges. The link to the courses is in the video description below. And here is a bonus. Subscribe to my newsletter and you will get free and discount access to my video courses.